Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Jones and I'm going to show you the pattern that goes along with the cup song. First I'm going to show you it as you're doing it full speed, and then I will break it down into slower steps for you. So breaking that down, first you're going to do 2 claps, clap, clap, and then I'm having some words to go along with it just so you can remember what to do next. Then I'm going to say tabletop. So we're going to do clap, clap, tabletop, clap, up, down. All you're doing is picking the cup straight up and then putting it back down. So putting that all together, clap, clap, tabletop, clap, up, down, clap, and then turn. You're going to turn your hand upside down. See how my thumb went toward the bottom? Turn, and as I lift it, I'm bringing it the other way. Touch, touch, change, pat, down. So I'm going to do that whole pattern nice and slow. Clap, clap, tabletop, clap, up, down, clap, turn, touch, touch, change, pat, down. Clap, clap, tabletop, clap, up, down, clap, turn, touch, touch, change, pat, down. And that's how you do the cup song. I'm also attaching the song so you can practice it slowly and on your own, and then as you get better at it, you can try doing it along with the song. Bye.